Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to access a Zoom meeting with a Zoom ID. So first, you're going to have to acquire the ID. So either the person hosting the Zoom meeting will send you the ID. I got it sent over to my messages, and then I click on it. I would like to copy it. So I'm going to copy it, go over back to the Zoom meeting, minimize this, and then I'll click join. Now it's going to ask me for the ID. All I do is copy paste it and then click join. Now it's asking for the meeting passcode. They will also send you this. And then you click join. Now I'm going to click on join. And now you've successfully joined the Zoom meeting. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you join a Zoom meeting with a Zoom ID and password. Thank you guys for watching.